How to add shares in Yahoo Finance. Follow the instructions. Open the Yahoo Finance app or visit finance.yahoo.com on your browser and make sure you're signed into your Yahoo account. Tap on My Portfolio from the bottom menu, in-app, or top menu, on website, to access your existing portfolios or create a new one. If you don't have a portfolio yet, tap Create Portfolio, give it a name, and save it to begin tracking your stock investments easily. Open the portfolio you want, then tap plus add symbol or add holdings to insert a stock you have purchased or want to track. Type the name or ticker of the stock, like Apple for Apple, then select it from the suggestions that appear below the search box. Enter how many shares you own, the price per share, and the purchase date if known. These details help track your performance. Review all the stock info you've entered, like quantity and price, and make sure everything is correct before saving it. Thanks for watching.